Hello, my name's Adrian, and I'm a librarian here at the Biblioteca Latinoamericana branch of the San Jose Public Library. And today we're going to do a simple little craft for young kids, preschool and younger, for your Father's Day. So we're going to have 3 craft activities that we're going to present here. First of all, what you need for supplies are you're going to need some glue, scissors. If you have available glitter, that would be great. Markers or crayons. We also could use stencils here to do the letterings, or the kids can write their own letters. We also have pencils here to do the tracing of the hand. We have here some glittery decorations, some pom-poms. We also have some confetti, which they could decorate any of the items that we're going to be doing. We also have some popsicle sticks for the third craft that we're going to be presenting. So first of all, we're gonna do like a little accordion type of card for Father's Day. And what it is, this was in Spanish, but you can do it in any language, it doesn't matter. It's 2 hands that the kids are gonna be tracing, and they open it up like a little accordion, and it has a little message. The kids can decorate this with any message they want. They first have to get the little strip of paper. It could be construction paper, and of course, the majority of these materials, you can get them from Walmart, Target, any store that's open. Nowadays, you can get them just about most places, so you can get these materials. So we do the little strip here, and they're gonna decorate it here with whatever message they wanna put here, the kids. They can also decorate it with glitter. It's all optional. Whatever the kids wanna do, they can be as creative as they want. After that, after they allow the glitter and all that to dry up, they can start folding it up like a little accordion. And then they're gonna attach here with glue. And then for the younger kids, you might have to help them out and then attach the other side here. This is not the same size, but you get the idea. And then they can also put a little message in the front. They can say Happy Father's Day, or they can put the name of their dad or their father, whatever they want, they can do that. That's one craft activity they can do. And the next one is making their own Father's Day craft. We have here in English and Spanish, but you can do many languages, it doesn't really matter. This one, we did the little mustache. And let me tell you how we did the mustache. We created a little template, and we got this idea from the internet. And it was, see the little whale? There's the little tail and this whale. It looks like 2 whales are kissing each other. You put them together like that, and then it creates the little effect of the mustache. So basically what you're doing with this one, you wanna make sure that when you draw your little whale with the tail here, make sure the little tail, when you fold the craft paper or the construction paper, make sure the tail is at this end here. So when you're drawing your little whale here, make sure you get that this is the opening end for the tail of the whale, and this is the closed end. So that way, you draw your little whale, and then you cut it, and you end up with a little template for the mustache. The same thing goes for the bow, because we're also creating a little bow, a little template here. You do the same thing. It's a little half circle and a triangle. Remember, the triangle is the opening part. So you're gonna draw your little bow tie this way, and then you're gonna cut the construction paper or craft paper. And remember, this is always gonna be the opening, so make sure this is the opening, so that way you get the little bow tie, okay? So we have the bow tie, those you can use either on the cards here, and we have the example of the cards here. The kids can be as creative as they want. We have the Father's Day here, we have the Spanish and English version, it could be in any language. The kids can put any message they want, and they can decorate with any of these decorations. They can be as creative as they want. And the only thing is, we want to remind parents to be supervising the very young kids, because some of them are not able to use a lot of these materials very easily. So if they need help, please assist them. And then the third craft activity we have is these two. We did the bow, and we decorated with confetti here. The kids can decorate it as whatever they want to put at it. They want to make it glittery, they want to put pom-poms, it's up to them. There's a little bow here, you can use it, or they can use a little mustache. And they can also decorate it if they want. So it's very optional. And basically that's all we have for Father's Day craft. For the younger kids to keep them busy now that they're at home and they're driving you crazy. Well, this is perfect idea to create something for Father's Day. And if you guys have want and see any more of our videos, just go to our website, sjpl.org. And thank you.